In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a site title on Squarespace step by step, so your website looks professional and branded right from the header. Whether you're launching a new site, rebranding an existing one, or just want your business name to appear clearly at the top of your pages, this is a quick change that makes a big difference. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website dashboard for the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see your site preview and editing options. From here, click the edit button in the top left corner of the screen. This takes you into editing mode, where you can make changes directly to your site. Now that you're in the editor, move your mouse all the way to the very top of your website page. You want to hover over the header area until you see the Edit Site Header button appear. This button usually shows up when Squarespace detects that you're positioned over the header section. So if you don't see it right away, just move your cursor slowly across the top until it appears. Once the Edit Site Header button shows up, click it. This opens the header configuration panel where you can control what appears in the top section of your website. In the settings overlay that appears, look for the option called Site Title and Logo and click on it. This is where Squarespace lets you manage the text title for your site or upload a logo instead. Next, click into the site's title text field and type the name you want displayed on your website. This could be your business name, your personal brand name, or any title that represents your site clearly. Make sure the spelling is correct and that the name matches your branding, since this is one of the first things visitors will see when they land on your page. After entering your site title, take a moment to check that it looks the way you want. If everything is correct, you're ready to save your changes. Click in the top left corner of the screen. In some Squarespace layouts, you may need to click Exit first and then Save, so just follow whichever option appears on your version of the editor. Once you save, Squarespace will publish the updated site title to your header, and your change should now be visible across your site. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a site title on Squarespace in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy website tutorials, Squarespace tips, and step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.